The 2025 Hyundai Grandeur, also known as the Ezra in certain markets, represents Hyundai's commitment to luxury and innovation in the executive sedan segment. Building upon its seventh-generation platform introduced in late 2023, the 2025 model brings forth subtle yet impactful enhancements that elevate its appeal. Exterior design. Hyundai has introduced a new black exterior package for the 2025 Grandeur, adding a dark finish to the grille, emblems, and 20-inch alloy wheels. This package can be paired with either Abyss Black Pearl for a monochromatic look or Serenity White Pearl for a striking contrast. These updates complement the Grandeur's existing design elements, such as the seamless horizon front lamp and sleek side profile, maintaining its modern and sophisticated aesthetic. Interior luxury. Inside, the Grandeur continues to prioritize comfort and luxury. The calligraphy trim now features quilted Nappa leather upholstery and a new head-up display, enhancing the premium feel of the cabin. The spacious interior, accentuated by a longer wheelbase, ensures ample room for passengers, while ambient mood lighting and high-quality materials create an inviting atmosphere. Technology and features. The 2025 Grandeur is equipped with Hyundai's connected car navigation cockpit CCNC, integrating navigation, digital cluster, and head-up display functionalities. A Bose premium audio system enhances the in-car entertainment experience. Notably, the climate control system now supports over-the-air updates, ensuring it stays current with the latest advancements. Performance and powertrain options. Hyundai offers a variety of powertrain options for the Grandeur to cater to diverse preferences: 1.6-liter turbocharged hybrid, balancing efficiency and performance. This engine is ideal for eco-conscious drivers. 2.5-liter naturally aspirated four-cylinder, provides reliable power for daily driving needs. 3.5-liter V6, available in both gasoline and LPG variants, this engine offers enhanced performance for those seeking a more dynamic driving experience. Each engine is paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, ensuring smooth and responsive shifts. Safety features. Safety remains a priority in the 2025 Grandeur. The updated Lane Keeping Assist 2 system offers improved lane centering capabilities and a broader front camera view. Additional safety enhancements include steering wheel grip detection and the inclusion of a fire extinguisher within the cabin. These features complement existing systems like blind spot collision avoidance assist and forward collision avoidance assist, providing a comprehensive safety suite. Trim levels and pricing. In the Korean market, the Grandeur is available in several trims: premium, starting at 37,680,000 Korean wons, 27,600. This base model offers a robust set of standard features. Exclusive, priced from 47,810,000 Korean wons, 35,000, this trim adds more luxury and technological enhancements. Calligraphy, the top-tier trim starts at 52,440,000 Korean wons, 38,400 for the hybrid variant, featuring premium materials and advanced features. These prices reflect Hyundai's strategy to offer a luxury sedan that caters to a wide range of customers without compromising on quality or features. Conclusion. The 2025 Hyundai Grandeur continues to solidify its position in the luxury sedan market by offering a harmonious blend of style, comfort, technology, and performance. With thoughtful updates and a focus on driver and passenger satisfaction, the Grandeur stands as a testament to Hyundai's dedication to excellence in automotive design and engineering.